Hello all, welcome to Bonadeafashions. In this video, firstly you are seeing is a beautiful collection of soft maheswari cotton silk sarees. The specialty of the sarees are its beautiful tissue weaving borders along with a beautiful weaving patterns in the body with rich pallu and brocade blouse. And this beautiful collection you are getting in a price of 950 rupees along with a free shipping inside Kerala and Tamil Nadu. Other states the shipping charges be from 20 maximum up to 40 depending on the distance. For orders, DM to the given WhatsApp number. You can also place your order through our FB and Insta pages. The links be there in the description. Moving to the next collection is a beautiful soft Litchi silk sarees with rich borders, rich pallu along with contrast blouse. All the prices be mentioned in the screen. Hope you guys like these beautiful collections. Enjoy the video.